Hi, I'm Lorraine from Gracious Mountain Therapies. Welcome back to Echoes from the Mountain, your weekly companion for cultivating mindfulness and resilience. Building on last week's exploration of kintsugi and embracing imperfections, we are now turning our attention to the healing power of nature and how its rhythms and resilience can inspire our own strength and adaptability. Just as the kintsugi artist mends broken pottery with gold, transforming flaws into something more beautiful and valuable, nature too demonstrates an incredible ability to heal and thrive in the face of adversity. From the tenacious wildflowers pushing through the cracks in the pavement to the majestic trees weathering storms, the natural world offers profound lessons in bouncing back and finding strength in challenging circumstances. This week, we will uncover how observing and connecting with nature can foster our own resilience, helping us navigate life's ups and downs with grace and fortitude. Just as the kintsugi philosophy teaches us to embrace our own imperfections and challenges, so does nature. Here's what's in store for us this week. On Monday, with Meditation Monday, we have a guided meditation inspired by the sounds of the forest, inviting you to find stillness amidst the natural world. On Mindful Tuesday, an introduction to mindful walking and how we can bring a little peace and serenity into our lives. On Wednesday is our Young Explorers Day, and this time we are exploring the emotion of fear, which turns into bravery, using a nature theme. Our activity to do with our young explorers is a treasure hunt for things to find in nature when you are all out walking. In the chill zone this week, the teens can unwind with a nature-inspired photography challenge, capturing the beauty of the outdoors through their own unique lens and seeing how nature can echo the kintsugi philosophy of transformation. In Creative Sparks, there'll be a step-by-step guide on creating a nature-themed vision board, a visual reminder of the peace and tranquility that the natural world can offer. Storytime Friday, it's our 5th chapter of Heidi, which is called Two Visitors. This week, we are not just talking about resilience. I am inviting you to experience it firsthand. That's why in this newsletter, I am introducing our first ever Echoes from the Mountain Resilience Challenge. This challenge is designed to bring the concept of resilience to life in a way that's both meaningful and personal. Nature is an incredible teacher, and by observing its tenacity, we can learn valuable lessons about facing our own challenges. Here's how the challenge will work. First of all, find your spot. Choose a place in nature that you can connect with. It could be your garden, a local park, a hiking trail, or even a potted plant on your windowsill. Secondly, observe and connect. Spend some time truly observing this piece of nature. Look for signs of resilience. Has it grown around an obstacle? Recovered from damage? Thrived in difficult conditions? Thirdly, reflect. Take a moment to consider what you have seen. What challenges has this plant or tree overcome? How did it adapt? What strengths did it draw upon? And finally, personalize. Think about the challenges you are currently facing or have faced in the past. How can you apply the lessons of resilience you have just observed in nature to your own situation? What strengths can you tap into to overcome obstacles? This challenge isn't just about admiring nature's beauty. It's about finding inspiration and tools to strengthen your own spirit. As you reflect on the resilience you see around you, remember that you too possess an inner strength that can help you weather any storm. Share your experience. I'd love to hear about your discoveries. Share your reflections on the Echoes from the Mountain Facebook page or email me your insights. Embracing resilience is an ongoing journey, and this challenge is just a starting point. By connecting with nature's wisdom, you can unlock a new level of strength within yourself. As you embrace this week's theme, remember that just as nature perseveres and kintsugi transforms brokenness into beauty, so can you. Let the strength and adaptability of the natural world be your guide as you cultivate your own resilience and discover the power within. I'm Lorraine from Gracious Mountain Therapies, and you have been listening to the Echoes from the Mountain weekly newsletter. If the content resonates with you, please subscribe and share with others. Your thoughts and experiences are invaluable to me. Share your insights on this week's theme below or email me at lorraine@graciousmountain.co.uk. If you know someone who could benefit from a dose of nature's resilience, please share my podcast and YouTube channel. Join me tomorrow for our empowering Meditation Monday. Until then, take care and remember, you are resilient, just like nature, and your imperfections are your strengths.